Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your PS5 account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of your PS5 account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says Settings. Next, click on Users and Accounts. Now from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Other. Once you click on Other, you want to go ahead and click on Sign Out. So once you click on Sign Out, that's going to go ahead and sign you out of your PS5. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of your PS5 account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.